In the third lesson in chapter 6, we're going to talk about adding integers. So in the previous lesson we studied integers. What numbers are integers? Positive and negative numbers. Okay? So positive integers, positive and negative numbers. And we said that the decimal cannot be the integer, it is not belongs to the set of the integers. Okay? So another note we need to know, let's say 18. 18 is positive or negative. Look at here. The sign is invisible. We cannot see the sign. It doesn't have any sign is positive or negative. So if the sign is invisible, that means positive. Okay, so positive 18. If we have, let's say, 125, is it positive or negative numbers? It's positive. Is the sign is invisible, we can say it's positive. We need to know this one. Okay, adding integers, adding integers. How can we add the positive and negative numbers together, or two positive numbers or two negative numbers? So there is only two notes. The first one, same sign, same sign. Same sign, it means negative and negative, or positive and positive. But do not forget, if our operation is addition, if it is plus, I mean the operation, if it is plus. Okay, so what do we do? What do we do? We have to plus them by their sign. Okay, how? Let's say question 1. If we have negative 8 plus negative 3, okay, negative 8 plus negative 3, our operation is addition. Okay, look at the signs. 8 and 3, are the signs the same? Yes, negative and negative. So we're gonna plus them. 8 plus 3, it's gonna be 11, and put their sign. So it's gonna be negative 11. Okay, so plus them by the second one. Let's say negative 22 plus negative 3. Okay, the same sign, we're gonna plus it. We're gonna plus the numbers. Okay, 22 plus 3, it's gonna be 25. Then put their sign. It's gonna be negative 25. Then put their sign. Okay, another one, if it is, let's say, like question 3, if it's like 18 plus 2, it's normal addition, because both numbers, the signs are invisible. So it means we can just normal addition. It's gonna be 18 plus 2, it's gonna be 20. The sign is positive, so it's gonna be 20, the answer. The second one, if different sign, different sign, so like negative and positive, or positive and negative, what do we do? Subtract them, subtract them, then look at the big number and choose that sign. Okay, for example, if we have like, let's say 18, negative 18 plus, let's say 20. Okay, look at the signs. Negative, and the sign of this one is invisible, it means positive. Okay, so these two signs are not the same, it is different. So we say that if the signs are different, we have to subtract them. So subtract these two numbers. 20 minus 18, it's gonna be 2, right? So I use it my mental math, but if you don't know, you can line up the numbers, you will see. 20 minus 18 is gonna be 2. So look at these two signs. Then we say that look at the big numbers if the signs are not the same. So which one is bigger, 20 or 18? 20. So that's why we're going to choose that sign. The sign of that number is what? Is positive. So the answer is going to be positive. Another example. Let's say 25 negative plus 12. So again, negative 25 plus this one, the sign of that number is invisible, so it means positive. Okay, so are the signs the same? No, it's different. So we say that if this different sign, if our operation is addition and different sign, so what do? You have to subtract them. Subtract. So 25 minus 12. I'm gonna use my mental math to find the answer. So it's gonna be 13. Then what do? Do not stop it in here. Okay, because you have to decide it. We have to decide our answer is negative or positive. Let's say, look at the big number 25 and 12. Which one is bigger? 25. So choose that side. So it's gonna be negative 30. Okay, the last example. Let's say 12 or 13 plus 19 negative 19. So this one is addition operations, and look at the signs. Are the signs the same? No, different. Negative, positive. If the signs are not the same, I mean in addition operation, do not forget this one. In addition operations, if it is plus, if the signs are not the same, minus, subtract them. So it's gonna be 6. So we say that then decided our answer is negative or positive. Look at the big numbers. 19 is bigger than 30, so that's why we're going to put that sign negative. So the whole lesson about these two notes: the same sign, different sign. If it is the same sign, our operation is plus, or our operation is addition. If the same sign, negative and negative, plus them by putting their sign. Okay, so the second one, if different sign, negative or positive, and our operation is addition like this question. So what do? You have to subtract them, then look at the big number and choose that sign. Okay? The whole lesson is about this one. Different sign, same sign.